The thorax is the middle segment of an insect's body. It holds the legs and wings that have been specialized for locomotion. The thorax is divided into three segments, with each segment housing a pair of legs. Insect legs have evolved for specialized functions. For example, the digging legs of a mole cricket allow it to burrow through soil, and the grasping forelegs of a praying mantis permit it to capture and consume its prey. Many insects, such as grasshoppers, flea beetles, and leafhoppers, have a jumping ability. This jumping ability is enabled through adaptations in the hind legs. Aquatic insects, such as the giant water bug, have hind legs that are flattened like a paddle for swimming. Honeybees have specialized compartments on their hind legs called pollen baskets. Pollen is placed and stored in the pollen baskets during foraging. Some insects, especially larvae with limited need for transportation, have no legs. The feet of insects are flexible and have claws that allow many to climb vertical surfaces. Insects are the only invertebrates to have wings. With the exception of mayflies, only adult insects have functional wings. Wings have a network of veins that provide support and rigidity and enclose transparent cuticles. Venation patterns are unique to species and can be used in identification. Many insects have two pairs of wings. Others have one pair, and some have no wings. In a number of insects, the front wings serve as protection for the delicate hind wings. In beetles, the front wings are hardened and are called elytra. When a ladybird beetle flies, the front elytra wings open to reveal the soft flight wings. In grasshoppers and cockroaches, the front wings are like leathery parchment and are called tegmina. Many true bugs, order Hemiptera, have thickened parts of their front wings called hemelytra. They are thick and leathery at the base but become more membranous toward the tips of the wing. Insects use muscle contractions to power their wings. As with insect antennae and legs, insect wings vary in design and function by species. Dragonflies can move each of their four wings independently, giving them precise control and mobility when capturing prey, laying eggs, or mating. Many other flying insects rely primarily on one pair of wings to drive flight. For example, insects such as flies, moths, butterflies, bees, and wasps have one pair of wings that is well developed. Their wings have hooks or hairs that link the forewings to the hind wings, functionally acting as one wing on each side.